Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need edit permission. Once confirmed, find the sheet and the specific image. If the picture is in cell, click the cell once to select it. If it sits over cells, click the image to reveal handles. Make sure you distinguish the two types because deletion methods differ. Once done, look for selection outlines or a small menu. These visual cues tell you which removal option to use. This first step prevents accidental changes to surrounding data and speeds the next action. Now remove the image using the correct command. If the image is over cells, press Delete or Backspace to remove it instantly. Alternatively, right-click and choose Delete from the context menu. For images inserted in a cell, open the cell, go to Insert Image, Remove Image, or select the image thumbnail in the formula bar and remove it. Make sure to confirm you're affecting only the image. This avoids accidental deletion of cell values or formulas. Take a moment to verify the sheet looks right afterward. Finish by verifying no data was lost and that formulas still calculate correctly. If you accidentally remove the wrong element, press Ctrl+Z or use Edit Undo immediately. That reverts the change. If undo isn't enough, open version history to restore a prior state. If delete controls don't appear or clicks fail, reload the sheet and clear the browser cache to fix UI glitches. One key tip: confirm you have edit rights before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.